So kapag shooting, the first thing na kailangan mo malaman is yung beef. When we shoot, dapat yung follow through mo pointing towards the rim. So guys, meron nagtanong, sabi niya, Coach, paano po ba yung umayos yung shooting? Kasi wala sang shooting. Ito yung tip ko sa'yo para umayos yung shooting mo. So kapag shooting, the first thing na kailangan mo malaman is yung beef, no? Ano nga ba yung beef, no? Hindi siya yung beef na baka, no? Yung beef stands for B, balance, E stands for elbow, E stands for I, and F stands for follow through, no? So ayan yung concept ng shooting, no? So B, when we say balance, kailangan balance ka. At the same time, kailangan naka-square up ka sa basket. Yung katawan mo nakatutok dapat sa rim, no? Hindi pwede na yung body mo nakatutok na malayo, no? So yung square up ka dapat, no? So balance 'yon. E stands for elbow. Pag nag-shoot ka, yung elbow mo dapat pointed towards the rim, no? So next I, focus mo dapat is yung sa court. Hindi pwede sa entire ring, dapat sa gitna lang, no? And then the last one is follow through. When we shoot, dapat yung follow through mo pointing towards the rim. Hindi pwedeng paganto, dapat paganto, no? So yon, lagi mo yung tatandaan when we say beef, balance, elbow, I, follow through, no? So ay foundation ng shooting, beef, no? Train ka, sabi mo beef, no? So balance, elbow, I, follow through. Yan, balance, elbow, I, follow through, then shoot. So yun, idol, ay ko sa'yo, yung balance, elbow, I, and then follow through.